Welcome to a research word in 1 minute. Research word number 2, analyze. American pronunciation, analyze. An-a-lyze. Analyze. Meaning number 1, analyze means to examine or think about something carefully in order to understand it. Meaning number 2, to examine a substance to see what it is made of. Meaning number 3, to examine someone's mental or emotional problems. Common usage: analyze the data, analyze carefully, analyze in detail. Example sentence: analyze, verb. We used computer software to analyze the data. Variations of analyze in academic writing that you need to know are analysis, noun. This work has been based entirely on an analysis of large mammals. And analytical, adjective. Spectrometry forms the basis of most analytical techniques to be described. Now you can use analyze confidently in your research. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!